Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, we are going to share with you a unique and amazing method actually that you have never seen, and we are going to use a simple trick actually in a new website that we can simply have it 288 million plus pre-traffic source that we can use, and that is really a tricky method that you have never seen before. We are going to use in this video, and we will show you step by step that how we can do that. So simply just follow the steps that how we can manage and how we can make money from that right away here. So I will show you each and every single step by step this method. So at the end of this video, you will be just implement the strategy and you can have a decent amount of money from that right away here. So what I want from you is to watch the video to the very end, to not miss on a single part, because this method and this strategy doesn't need any website, any special skills or any other investment actually. So it is really amazing strategy that you can simply learn and implement and start making money from right away there. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. So the first step is that we can simply sign up for a free account on the ClickBank marketplace right away here. So if you are promoting the ClickBank products, so then we can simply start promoting the products from the ClickBank. If you are promoting from any other network, affiliate network uh, such as for example the Digistore24, Warrior Plus, or any other one, so you are good to go with that. It doesn't really matter. So you can also choose those product and start promoting with this specific method that I will share you. So the first step is that to sign up for a free account right here. Once you sign up, then you can simply log into your account right here. I have already logged into my account right here. So once we sign up, we have then this interface right here. Here we can browse all the offers right here. So that will definitely show us all the browsers, all the offers right here that it will be browsed, and we can simply select any offer we want right here. But on the left side, we can also see here the different categories. If we want to promote our offers from this category, so we can simply choose this category. If we want to choose from the business and investment, we just need to select that, and that will just pop up and show us all the offers right here in business and investments, something like would profit. Okay, so here is another one like full and blank copyright converting, and here is a crypto swap profit mastermind right here. So these are the different products available right here that we can simply use right here. But if you want to have another category right here on the left side, you can also choose and start promoting like computer investment, cooking and food, e-business and e-marketing right here. So if we just click on this, so we will also, that will be also available all the offers right here, like get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This is one offer. Live chat job is another one. And here if you scroll down, we will see another offers and money offers are right here that will be available. So here we can find it out like click wealth system. This is another offer. If we just click on this, so the main interface or the main landing page will pop up and show us that if we redirect someone with our own special affiliate link, so they will just redirect to this page right here that we can simply use it right here. And if you want to learn more about affiliate page, so we can simply click on this link or this button right here. So all the pages whatever they have, for example right here, so we can have it for absolutely free, and we can grab and start promoting from here right here. So this is the affiliate tools area, and these are the contents that they have already right here. So let us pick here if they have the email swap or any other banners or something like that, so we can simply have it right here. So we can simply click on this link, and that will move us to another step right here that we can simply use. For example, and here are the different email swipe that we can simply use it right here. Okay, so these will be the different emails that we can simply copy and paste, and we can simply promote this offer right here. And the main page is this one. If we redirect someone, so this is the main landing page that we will redirect someone into this page right here. So here will be the free video or free training video that they can simply watch. Once they watch all these videos, so here will be another button pop up right here, and that will take them to another page that they can simply purchase the product or the offer right here. So once we are done with the offer right here, we have just finished and find it out the offer, the right offer right here. The next step for us will be that we can simply also grab the affiliate link by just clicking the promote button right here. And here we can use your ClickBank ID, and here you can use, for example, the tracking ID if you want, but it's optional. But it will be better if you add, because that you will understand from where the sale is coming right here. So we can simply use the free traffic or something like that, and then we can simply click on the generate hop link. So once you click on generate hop link, that will be special link that they will generate for you, and then you can simply just copy this link from here. Once you copy the link, then we can simply go to TinyURL, TinyURL or Bitly or any Catchly or any other URL shortener website. We can simply go and paste it and shorten that. So once we are done with all these things, the next step will be that for us, we will move to the free traffic source. So the free traffic source that we are going to share with you in today's video will be the Tumblr.com. Tumblr is a free social media platforms actually, and it's really popular in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, and those top countries right here, and many people are using. So according to the similar web, they are getting up to 228 million plus traffic every single month to this website, and all the traffic is organic traffic, rare and legit traffic, which is most of the traffic, like 46% is coming from the United States, then 5% from the United Kingdom, then another 5% from Canada, then 3% from Australia, and then Germany. So that is a great amount of traffic that we will have it from these five top countries, and we do want all the time that we will have traffic for these top five countries right here. So we luckily have this traffic something like 70 or 65% from these five top countries right here, and we will promote the offer. So how we can promote? The first step is that we need to sign up for a free account right here, by just clicking the sign up button. Once we click on the sign up button right here, so we can simply just add our email address, password, and blogger name, means the username right here, and then click on the sign up. So once you are signed up with that, then you can simply just log into your account right here. Once you log in, so that it will look something the interface like this one. Here you can find all your account right here, and any other things like notification, comments, messages, and others. You can also available, all these things will be available right here. And here you can simply find it out the search bar, and the search bar you can simply write, for example, make money online or something like that, and then search that. Once you just tap make money online, you will see the different posts right here that people have posted, different contents right here, and like you can simply see here 3,985 notes right here, 20,000 plus notes right here. Okay, so these are all the people that they are, for example, interested with make money online right here. So you can simply see here that there are many people on the Tumblr that they are interested with make money online niche. So that's why it's really important for us to see here that how and which types of people are interested in make money online right here. So once we find it out right here, these people, for example, these are the people, we just need to click on these likes right here. Once we click on these likes right here, then we can simply have it, for example, reblock something like that, comments, and also likes right here. We just need to click on the likes right here. So here we are not following other people, and we are not growing our account right here, because that will be a long process and a long time. So we can make money a little bit easily with this method right here by just going to the likes option right here, and we will see all the people that they are interested in and they like this this comment right here. So once we do that, so the next step for us will be that this is the guy, for example, that they are interested with that. So what we need to do, we can simply just choose right here. For example, we can simply just open their accounts right here, for example, by just clicking on this button right here. So once we click on this button right over here, Sorry, not button actually. On the, you can simply stand on their username, and then you can simply just go to their main accounts right here, something like that, for example, or just even right click on that, okay, or just click on this guy, okay, right here, for example, you can simply just click on that. Once you click on that, then you will visit to has page or has profile right here, okay, that you can simply do that, okay. So here you will have the option like follow, you will have the option, for example, like last, you can simply comment, and here you can simply see here the three dots that you can share their contents or something like that. But here we can simply just follow this guy. Once we follow this guy, then we will simply just click on this button right here. So once we click on this button right here, something like that, so we will be just moving to another page right here that we can simply habit this page. Or even we can simply just, let me just move back from this one right here, we will just choose another one right here, okay. So we can simply just go, just click on this. Oops. Okay, where is that? Let me just go back right here. Okay, just go to the likes option. You can choose anyone you want, for example, but these are, there are more people in like options right here. So that's why we are choosing this one right here. So here we can simply open in another tab right here. Once we just open in another tab right here, so we will have their profiles right away here, and we can simply follow this guy, okay. If you want to ask any question or something like that, you can simply just click right here on this option, and you can send them or ask the question from them. So this is also a good idea, and also comment on their contents is another good idea. And if you want to send direct message, that's also a great idea. But asking a question will be a great part, and you can simply easily access to them, and they will definitely check that right here. So once you've reached this place, then you can simply go to the affiliate tools area of the product right here, and then we can simply just find it. You can simply just copy this from here. Once we copy from here, then we can simply paste it right here, okay. Here you can simply edit a little bit if you want right here, okay. You just need to paste it. Once you paste it, then you can simply change your name, for example, add your name right here, whatever the name you are adding. So you can simply edit the name right here, and then here you can simply just choose any name. For example, it will be better if you choose their name. So if you don't need if you don't want, so no need for that actually. So here is the here is the main thing that that you need to add your link right here, okay. So the most important thing is the link that you just need to copy from the main page right here. For example, from here that we have chosen, you can simply just copy that. Once we copy that, you can simply go to bit.ly or TinyURL, and you can simply paste it and click on the TinyURL right here, and then copy this link from here, okay. So once we copy the link from here, then you can simply paste it right here. So that will be our link, and make sure that you just copy this for the next time or for other contents that you can simply promote. And then you can sign something like, for example, then you can simply just click on ask question, okay. So that will be a redirect to him, and she or he will get the notification. So whenever they get the notifications, they will check that what type of question is that. So of course we will just send them the make money online question, that they will be interested with that, and they can simply see that when they were interested in making money online, really on make online actually, so they will just click on that, and they will simply purchase right here. So by that way that we have simply copied that, you can simply just go with another one and just open in a new tab right here. So one by one you can simply open them, and you can simply ask them the question right here, and the same content that you have simply posted right there, and that you can simply ask them again and again, okay. The question is received by them. So this is the most easiest way that you can make money online in this category right here. And this is a brand new website. Actually, the website is not brand, that is since a long time, but many people are not using this trick or this method. So that's why I'm focusing on that you can simply use and start making money online with this easy method right here. So hope you like that, and hope you are interested with that. If you want to have a better result and a better way actually, and a two-pillar system with full training, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn from A to Z that how you can make money online the most easy and the more convenient way online right here. So check out the first link in the description of this video. So hope you like that and you take action on the method. And don't forget to hit the like button as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.